In this video, I'm going to show you how to change YouTube video default quality. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up YouTube. And then from here, I'm just going to get to the home screen. Now from the home screen, go ahead and click on your user profile and then click on the settings icon top right hand corner of the page. Then from here, we need to select video quality preferences. So if we scroll down here and look for video quality preferences or something similar, here we go, video and audio preferences. Now if we choose quality, now inside of here, this is where you can go ahead and change some settings. So we've got the option here, video quality on mobile network. So we can adjust to give you the best experience for your conditions, or we can go ahead and choose data saver or higher picture quality. And then also over video quality on Wi-Fi, we can use auto. So this adjusts to give you the best experience for your conditions, or we got the option for higher picture quality, which uses more data, or data saver, lower picture quality. So say for example, I'm running out of data on my plan. I want to go ahead and use here on mobile networks. I want to choose data saver because that's obviously going to save my data. And then video quality on Wi-Fi. If you want, you don't need to use data saver obviously because you're using a Wi-Fi network. So you can use higher picture quality. Now these are the best settings if you are low on data, but yeah, like I said, you can play around here in these settings